Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change or upsize your font on Notepad++. So if you use a Notepad++ as a text and source code editor for use with Microsoft Windows, you can try to edit, you can try to change the size or the font style. Now the first thing to do, you can open that Notepad++ itself. So if I not forget, I do have this one, C program Notepad Notepad++. So in order to change this font style, you can go to the settings, click the settings and click style configurator, and here we go. This is the language. You can choose global style and you can choose the default style, and here we go. You can change the color, background color. Let's try to revert. As you can see, it's reverted. Then this is the font style. You can change the Korean new into the Japanese text, for example, Microsoft Himalaya, and so on. And even you can bold it, italic, or underline all the text. And here you can change the size. By default is 10. You can upsize into the 12 up to 28, and the minimum is 5. And here the transparency. So after if you think this is done, you can try to save and close this style configurator, and please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.